Ooh. Good morning. Thank you, Google, for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna do my best Google glam. So anyway, I got this mysterious invite. Are you a Jackie of all trades? The Google Workshop, Los Angeles, California. Are you in? I have no clue where I'm going, what I gotta do when I get there, or what the hell I'm getting myself into. Basically, they told me, come glam, but don't do your hair. And when you black, do y'all think that like showing up someplace without your hair done, is that a bit of a red flag? But anyway, I'm excited because I love working with Google. This is probably like, I don't know, the 5th partnership I've done with them. They always have a cool concept and they just asked me to show up and be myself. And as a creator, I absolutely love that. Okay, glam is pretty much done. I'm gonna do my lip in the car because I have to eat and you know, it just doesn't make sense to do a lip and then eat like, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, I'm ready. Chic and casual. The look is very much saying, I don't know what the hell I'm getting myself into, but I'm ready for whatever. And I got my little tote with a backup outfit just in case. Wish me luck.
Hey Google, y'all done got me outside my house now. You know I don't leave unless I'm leaving the country. I have a warm welcome. Welcome, Jackie. Okay. Looks like there's a bunch of different rooms. Wait, I see a bed in here. Oh, hold on, just wanna know what kind of thread count we looking at. All right, Elliot, Drew. Oh, dinner. Okay, Drew 2.0. Okay, sneakerhead. It's giving very college frats. Not in a bad way, that's not a drag. Okay, my fashion queen, obviously. Oh, all the looks. And now mine is last. Ooh, okay. Very cute. They got my candles. And it's full of hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are my favorite flower. I might need to take these home. It just kind of looks like a glam setup. There's like hair stuff, makeup tools. But other than that, I still don't really know what I'm doing or why. Okay, are you ready for your challenge? Yes, I absolutely am ready for the challenge, depending on what it is. Create 3 different hairstyles. Okay, that's why they told me to knock on style, ... And then what? With only one hair tool you've never used before. Oh, child, okay. All right, Google. I'm gonna try to work smarter, not harder. I'm gonna look for one tool that has like a bunch of different, settings, options, attachments to try to pull this off because I'm only allowed one tool, so I gotta make it count. But here's the thing, if you go and type shop at the beginning of any search and then multi-purpose hair tool, because that's what we're looking for today, right? It takes you to a completely different search experience. It makes shopping a little bit more like instantaneous. Okay, but there's actually like quite a bit of options. Let me get a little bit more savvy. I'm gonna use the filters. Oh, I can filter by seller? Oh, colors? Okay, that's cute. And I can filter by brand. Hold on, pause. I'm gonna look for the tool that I really want, because I've really been wanting the Dyson Airwrap. I mean, everybody and their mama's talking about this tool, but let me see what happens when I try to like actually shop for it. It took me right to this completely different page that shows me top considerations. Okay, articles and reviews, 4.3 stars. That means a lot of people like it. Wow, even oh my God. Even they got the tutorials. But what happens when I click these 3 arrows? Oh, it actually tells you the exact checkout total without actually putting it in your cart. I like that because I got stuff to do. And like, I really want to know like how much is it for real in the state of California? This is crazy because like, in order for me to see all of this on one page, this is like 5 or 6 different searches. Based on what the tools and the attachments are looking like, I really think this will be the best for the challenge. Seems like a no-brainer. I think it's gonna be the Dyson Airwrap for me. Kind of curious to see if it'll work on wigs, and I love Dyson products, so should I do it, y'all? I'ma do it. Add that to my cart, thank you. Now that I have exactly what I need for this challenge, let's go to my room and get started. I haven't used this tool yet. I've only used the hair dryers, so I'm excited to get into this. Oh, that is heavy. Okay. One thing I do love about Dyson is they will give you presentation. The blow dryer comes in the same similar kind of package and it's really nice. Like you get your money's worth. I'm guessing this is the main piece. And it looks like this. This is the first attachment, maybe like a wet to dry, I'm assuming. And then these two are smoothers. Oh, it moves. This one is a round volumizing brush, obviously. 1.6 inch barrel, 1.2 inch barrel. What are these arrows? Switches directions, maybe? Wait, that is a game changer because I have to curl my hair on my left side completely different. So I just, Dyson, I see what you did. So the challenge is 3 hairstyles, 1 tool. The first attachment I think I wanna use is maybe big, small, big, small, big, small. You know what, I think I'm gonna try the big one first. And I kinda wanna do like this bumped ends look, like 90s R&B diva, you know, a little sleek, straight, curled inward, sultriness. When do I plug this in? As far as the order, because I'm learning as I go, I think it's gonna progressively go from like super easy and simple to a little bit more polished and then end with the one that would require the most amount of work. The first look, usually I can just bang out in like 10, 15 minutes if I'm lucky. So I'm curious to see how it's gonna work out with the Dyson Airwrap. All right, so you see how I'm doing tension and letting all the hair wrap. Okay, and now I'm gonna go cool. Boom. It's kind of iconic. Look at me being proud on attempt number 1. Stop. It's actually funny like how popular the bumped ends look is now because remember when you was a kid and your mom used to take you to the hair salon and you'd be like, don't bump the ends. And now it's like the look. See, mamas be right. Okay, front pieces. Let's get it together. It looks so pretty. Oh my God. Are you guys shook that I'm actually using this on a wig? No, I didn't do my hair. I just like woke up like this. This is curling outward. It might just be I'm doing too much tension because I still don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there's heat settings. Oopsies. I thought it was just hot and cold. I really, really like the way that this looks, including the curled outward. So maybe 60s diva, not 90s diva, but a diva nonetheless. Style number 2, I'm gonna kick it up a notch and really try to curl my hair now. The second look is definitely going to require more sections and a lot more detail work. Breezing right on through this challenge, honey. I like the smaller barrel because I want it to like really curl. When in doubt, go smaller. So I'm gonna take a small section in the back and start curling backwards. Looks a little bit beachy, like effortless. Like, I don't know, like, how do I get it big? Beyonce. So real quick, I'm just gonna like, oh, you don't pull, you just hold. Got it, okay. All right, I'm gonna regroup. Start at the end, pull it in tighter. I'm holding it vertically, and then hold, then turn it off, and then, period. Yes! Yeah, that looks good. Oh my God, that looks so good. All right. Now I got it. Do I need to switch directions now for this side? Yeah, I think I do. The back is definitely the hardest. And see. That's a curl. I'm gonna have to switch. Okay. I might have slayed too hard on this side. Shout out to George Washington though. I'm actually gonna try to curl like back, you know, the whole like va-va-voom. I'm gonna try it. I can't guarantee it's gonna work out. Please work, please work. Oh my God, please work. I'm scared. Whoa, it's a curl. Okay, I'm actually gonna like pin it real quick. I'm gonna do the other side. Come on now. You can do it. There we go. Ooh, that's perfect. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Ooh, this is good. This is good. I really like it. In fact, I'm gonna give it a name. I'm gonna call this the First Lady. You know, it's very like buttoned up. makeup professional. For the next look, I'm gonna do like a half up, half down, and I'm actually going to now try flipping outward, kind of vintage, you know, mod, coif, polished. All right, so half up, half down. My hair's already parted and sectioned off. All I'm gonna do now is try to flip it outward. And I'm gonna keep it low. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's like the perfect half moon. I'm gonna like pin this up out the way. See, because you gotta hold your hand at the perfect angle. I'm gonna try to get the back. I'm gonna just have to pray for the best because I can't see. Now, this side, yeah. And I gotta like really extend my arms because otherwise it'll curl forward. But this Dyson Airwrap makes it super easy. I wanna know, who in the hell was in a board meeting when they first invented this? Like, I'm gonna curl things, but use air. Like, huh? Let me go ahead and do the front pieces. Okay, this side. It's cute. Okay, ponytail. It needs product, but that's cute. Okay, now I'm gonna brush her out. Oof. Looks even prettier now. Let me get these pieces. I love the way the hair looks. Very bouncy, shiny. Okay, I'm done. All right, so look number one, this is a look that you can do on like any bob or lob styles, and it's just this bumped ends look. The second look is like a classic curl. Not too perfected, but voluminous and just really fluffy. And then look number three is the half up, half down. It's flipped outward, you know, kind of 60s, 70s style, and face framing layers. Now I just need to know, did I complete the challenge? Period. I not only completed the challenge, I cleared, ate, devoured, smashed. Like, I want to hear nothing. Check the credentials. Thank you, Google, for inviting me and for this amazing opportunity. It was so much fun. And of course, also a special shout out to Dyson for the product. And now that my hair's done, I gotta go. I don't know what you're doing, but I just wrapped with the Dyson Airwrap. So, bye.